Hi, this is Captain Tim Blanchard at MarineMax in Venice, Florida. Just wanted to quickly introduce the Azimut Yacht Collection to you. That is, we are the exclusive Azimut retailer in the United States of America. For those of you that don't know about Azimut, it's a premier yacht brand that's built out of its headquarters in Turin, Italy. It was established back in 1969 by Paul Vitelli, and it's actually still run by Paul Vitelli and his family. It's a completely debt-free company, which is probably something that is not able to be said by many manufacturers today. And what I wanted to let everybody know is that in 2018, the Azimut Yacht Collection, all the way up to 72 feet, is going to come with the Azimut Peace of Mind warranty, which is a comprehensive 36-month warranty only offered on boats sold by MarineMax. And it's a bow to stern warranty, provides full coverage and peace of mind for any yacht owner, and it's also transferable to subsequent owners as long as the transaction is done through a MarineMax dealer. For those of you that are into fashion, you owe it to yourself to take a look at these luxurious interiors produced by Achille Savani, who is a high-end Italian fashion designer. Interiors are absolutely exquisite. And there's several collections available. We offer boats, Flybridge collection, 42 feet through 80 feet, an S collection, 55 feet through 77 feet, the Atlantis collection, 34 through 51 feet. There's a Grand collection, which is their 27 meter through 35 meter yacht, and the Megellano, which is 43 through 76 feet, and they even offer a 40-foot Verve, which is an outboard power boat. It's well worth taking a look. We'll have a demo collection that's going to be transiting all of our MarineMax locations. So we want to extend a invitation to you all to come on board, hop on, take a look at the quality of these boats, and let us show you the amazing product that's available through Azimut Yachts and MarineMax. Thanks for taking a quick look, and have a great day.